Hello everyone, it is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to announce that I have partnered with FabFitFun to give you guys a FabFitFun spring unboxing haul. And I'm so freaking excited to do this because I actually discovered FabFitFun last season and I bought one of my own boxes and I got it and I was absolutely obsessed with it. So I was so excited when they reached out to me saying that they wanted to do a sponsored video together, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So this is what it looks like. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It has full-sized fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and it comes out once each season. So this is the spring one. Look at number one, look at how cute. Number two, it almost takes up the whole screen. It is like freaking huge. Like look at it compared to my hand. What? Each box is $50. At first I was like, whoa, that's like a little much. But seriously, every single product in here added up together is a value of over $200. And the amount of use I got out of every single product last season was absolutely insane. Plus, I'm super excited to announce I got you guys $10 off of your FabFitFun box with the code SARAHYT. And it's really cool because now FabFitFun actually lets you customize some of the products that you're about to get. So you kind of like ahead of time know what you're gonna get and can get excited about it. For example, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you totally should, self-promo, it's at sarahburgett. I literally posted so many freaking pictures, insert the pictures here, of me wearing my black eye masks like before my modeling shoots or just after, you know, a night out or whatever. And I actually got, it's called Black Mask with a Q, and I actually got that in last season's FabFitFun box. I've just discovered so many amazing brands that I wouldn't have taken time out of my day to like research or spend money on if it wasn't for this box. And it's just like the best way to try out new brands, not only any new brands, but brands that are worldly known to be amazing. So not only is it convenient, but it saves you time and money. And what's really cool about the spring box that I'm about to get into is that almost every single product in here were made by solely females. You guys know I love female empowerment. That just makes everything about this all the better. And now that I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just get into the unboxing. Hiya! Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It is literally like, how can they make it this cute? So the first thing they give you is like their little FabFitFun magazine, which is absolutely adorable. They have a beautiful model in the front, and then they just like, you can go through and they have like a spring trend report and just everything that's really up to date. Seriously, they know their stuff when it comes to like trends and what's popular. It's like hard for me to keep up nowadays because things are moving so fast. FabFitFun keeps me there. So getting into it, oh my gosh. I'm already so excited just glancing in this baby. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you every single product I'm getting for this spring FabFitFun box. Before I even knew I was working with this brand, I had recommended it to so many people because of how much use I've gotten out of the products. And if you guys haven't kept up with my channel or my Instagram, I've been way more into like a hair care routine and my skincare routine, and I always like forget about extra products I should be using until I get something like this where it just like introduces me to essential oils or just new face masks or toners or anything of that sort. So this just makes me even more excited for this. So yeah, let's just get into it. The first thing in here is an 11 by Venus jump robe, which if you guys have not seen my Instagram or my video, I think it was like 4 videos ago where I showed you guys my workout secrets, jump rope has been one of my favorites so far. And I do have a jump rope, but there's so many times I try to get my roommates to do a workout with me in the living room or something, and we have to just take turns on the jump ropes. But I feel like it'd be very beneficial if we could jump rope at the same time. And not only that, but this is so cute. I love like the periwinkle color. And jump ropes are pretty expensive nowadays, so this just gets me so excited. It says 11 is not defined by being the best, it's the pursuit of your best self, which is what we're all striving for, am I right? Let's see what this is. Oh my, see, this is exactly what I was just talking about right there. This is a Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Like, I would have never even thought of putting something on my face right before I go to bed like this. But it says it's a weightless souffle that melts instantly into skin for intense hydration and brightening overnight. Yes, please. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out too. Like, if it's called Wild Rose, you know that's about to smell so good. Also, quick shout out to my boyfriend. He is so cute, and on our 9-month anniversary, he literally put these flowers. I would show you. If you follow my Instagram yet again, you would have saw them, but he wrote this like really cute card that said Sarah, and it had these flowers on my doorstep for when I came home from Orange Theory. Oh my god. Does that not just look like heaven on earth? Wow. And it's so lightweight. I don't like putting like a lot of product on my face before bed because I don't want it to like just go everywhere, like on my pillow and stuff. But you can tell it's just so lightweight. It like, I can't wait. I'm literally gonna put this on my bedside table to use tonight. If you want to see updates, I'm always updating my Instagram story. I will stop shameless plugging myself now, but I've been updating that a ton. Yeah. Also, one more shameless plug. I'm having 4 giveaways on there right as we speak. Check it out. Ooh, this is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I just ran out of my leave-in conditioner. This is, I think it's pronounced O-U-A-I. It says O-U-A-I hair care. It's a leave-in conditioner, which I just ran out of. But it says a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Directions are to mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing and or heat styling for added conditioning. Ooh, so this is like, so you put this in after, and like I just said, I've been working on my hair care routine. I actually just got it dyed just like a little bit to make it look more blended in. So I'm gonna need to get it a little more healthy up at my roots, and this is going to come in handy for that. I'm like doing like the smaller products first, and then I'm gonna get into the really exciting stuff. Oh my gosh, I just started. Literally, like, I feel like this brand is like a mind reader when it comes to self-care and wellness because, like, of course, right when I'm starting to, like, actually get into it again, they bring me everything that I was about to run out of. So this is Dr. Brandt's Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It says it visibly reduces the look of under-eye bags and dark circles, which I think it's like every college student's #1 problem. All right. Literally, this is just amazing. Let's give it a swatch. Cute packaging. It says you just put a little bit on your finger, and then after you do your eye gel, you pat it. Ooh, it's like orange. You just pat it under your eye for depuffing. Ooh, oh my gosh. It like disappeared immediately. That's insane. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. You know I'm about to be using this tonight. I'm about to have a great self-care night. If you guys want a self-care routine, I would love to film that even tomorrow for you guys. Like I said, I've just been getting back into it recently, and I would love to share with you guys what's been working for me. I'm excited to see what this is. I honestly have no idea, but I have heard of this brand before. This is called Show Me Your Moo. Oh my god, it's a robe. I'm obsessed with robes. If you know me, you can ask any of my roommates. I'm always wearing a robe. Let's check it out. Stop. This is gonna make me feel like a queen. I'm gonna like put this rose robe on, and then I'm gonna have my like Wild Rose night cream, and I'm just gonna feel like the most bougie human ever, and I'm gonna love it. This is so adorable, and I'm gonna love this for the spring and the summer because it's like more lightweight than my regular robe, and it's super cold right now, so I would probably like, this is definitely perfect for spring, but it's not spring in Ohio right now because Ohio weather likes to be very bipolar. But this I'm going to throw in the wash and then hang up for when it gets a little warmer. Okay, this next one is probably the one I was most excited for. It like really popped in this package, and that's because I really have been wanting to try this, and I just lost my other one. And this is a Swell bottle, but it's like the Sip by Swell. It says sipping on refreshments has never been easier. Composed of a double-walled insulated 18x8 stainless steel, this bottle is built to keep your favorite drink at your preferred temperature. Blah, that was a mouthful. But this has the cutest design ever. Wow, it says sip it cold or sip it hot. Sip a drink that hits the spot. I'm so excited to wash this and give it a whirl as well. Wow, mama's happy. You might be thinking, yeah, that was a lot of products, but I'm not done. I have 2 more products for you guys, and these are, again, full-size products. Oh my gosh, I thought this was a candle, but it's even better. This is a scrub. It's called a Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This is from Mana Kadar. It says it's an exfoliant champagne au carbone. I don't know if I said that right. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Ooh, does this not look like a candle? Let's give it a look. Let's give it a smell. Well, honestly, I think everything smells good, but this is wow. Last but certainly not least is an aromatic body lotion. And this is from La Vito, inspired by nature. It's mandarin orange and bergamot. It says hydrate, nourish, and protect. You know you love a good lotion. Oh my god, it's so fruity. Everything I described before opening this box was exactly like what I said I needed. Are they mind readers or not? Like, I didn't even go in this month and like choose like my preferences, which you can do now. I just decided to do it. So that's why I'm so excited to tell you guys that I can give you guys $10 off with the code SARAHYT, as in Sarah YouTube, but SARAHYT. I will link it down below and also put the code again down below in case you forget. I do not have enough good things to say about this. Like, I already know that this thing originally would be like $30. And then this plus a Kors, like Kors the brand night cream, this would probably be $25. So that together is already $55. Plus every other full-size product in here, like $50 is a steal. I am so excited to be working with this amazing brand, and I swear I didn't like 100% feel very passionate about this brand. I wouldn't be promoting them to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have ever tried out FabFitFun, comment it down below. I think it's just so cool that for only $200 a year, if you think about like 4 seasons in a year, 50 bucks each, will get you through the whole year. You won't even have to make an extra trip to the store. You'll be able to take care of yourself the right way. I love it. It just supports amazing causes and female-founded companies, which is so inspiring in so many ways. So I'm highly encouraging you guys to sign up now with a link down below to be able to customize your products, to let them know what you are going to want and what you're going to need for this upcoming season. I know that my self-care routine is just gonna keep getting better and better, so if you guys want to see a self-care routine this week or next week, comment down below and I'd love to make that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button right down below because more content is always coming your way. And also, one last thing, I'm finally making a video with my YouTube little Georgia Bridgers. She is freaking blowing up on YouTube. I'm so happy for her. We're making an OG YouTube versus new YouTuber video. So if you have any questions on that, also comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.